to my channel, and today I'm in Curacao in the Caribbean, which was a Dutch protectorate. I don't know the right term. And I'm going to go in and try the new, it's not in the door there, but the new Black Forest McFlurry. See you inside. Alright, this is what it looks like, a Black Forest McFlurry. Alright, so that's what it looks like. All the stuff's on top, the cherries were underneath, so I guess I need to mix it up. Wow, it's a lot of chocolate. Oh, I got a little bit of the red, not much. I have a cameraman today, and I am hot because we're in Curacao and it is hot. I can really taste the cherry. With vanilla ice cream, they put some cherry, and then these parts, like chocolate cookie crumbs. Actually, not bad. I'm not big on McFlurries, but this is better than the other one I had. These McDonald's are different. You get your McFlurries over here to make them separate than everything else. And then you order food over there. They have this kind of stuff. And espressos over here. And of course the smoothies that we get in the US. McCafe. So this is a McCafe.